Yes, people. Yeah, the officer, what's happening?
Right, so we'll come and talk to you in a second. We're just talking with this gentleman right now.
Yeah.
Or do you want to come talk to us over here?
No, we can all talk together, really.
Okay, I just wanted to get away from this situation.
There's no situation, it's a community, so we can all talk together.
Yeah, that's fine, but I think we prefer to speak over here because he's alleged something. We don't talk about it in private. That's not fine, we'll move him out. Okay, so this gentleman's alleged that there's some issues today. Yeah. He made some threats and potentially assaulted him. Some allegations, so I'm not saying that it's true, but it's an allegation of crime.
What kind of threats? I don't understand.
As in, you threatened to box him up, that was the exact word that was used, and you apparently grabbed his coat. Okay, so that's common assault. We have to deal with it slow time, but what that means is we're going to need some details off you. We need to confirm your address, name, etc. Yeah. Is that something you're happy to provide, or?
Of course.
Okay, that's fine.
Nothing's happened.
The reason we want to do that is we can then do our CCTV inquiries, get all of that done.
Then get your side of the story,
yeah.
Invite you for an interview.
Yeah, it saves us having to arrest people, and we can get all the evidence together.
We're not saying anything's happened at the moment. We're impartial. We just arrive and get stuff. What's your name, mate?
What a day today out here, people, yeah. This is a real battlefield, concrete jungle, Ringo depending on people, yeah. Look, Joseph called police on me today, people, yeah. The man in the market come to fight me today, people, yeah. There things are happening in a one day, you understand? So guess what? We see that this year is a new year and we see that it's happening. It's actually happening, you understand? People are getting fed and you understand the Father's work is happening, the universe is happy, the people them that are hungry are happy. You understand, people? Ringo Vision is leaving happy every day from this market, and they're coming like the people them not happy because guess what? They're not happy with inside of their self because they can be giving but they're not giving. You understand? They could be helping but they're not helping. You understand? But what they're trying to do is pop down a good cause. But guess what? This is where we turn up, people, yeah, and we stand together in unity and strength, you understand, and show them that 1 million people, yeah, will get fed and will get helped, you understand, people, yeah, and the mission will continue, yeah, people, yeah, and we're out here, you understand. Look, Adam,
yes,
lift up the pot for me quickly. Adam, just lift up the pot for me quickly. That's where we're at. We're more than halfway down. I didn't really have no one to hold the camera, but you understand? Adam is back, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Huh? Yeah, food in the pot, man. Food there.
And then we'll, you know.
Alright, people, so we're out here and we're helping the community, feeding the homeless. But the police is involved, that they should be tackling crime. They're involved with tackling me, that's dealing something to do with the homeless.
When we get an allegation, sorry, we have to investigate. That's our job. Right? But we appreciate you cooperating. But we'll be in touch.
Right, we're going to be on our way. If you've got any questions, but you're
I'm good. Yes, people, so a good vibe. So Joseph made an allegation that I threatened him today to box him up and whatnot. So this is the distress that I get from the market, people, yeah, out here. Trying to be on my way, trying to be on my mission. And this was once someone as well that was behaving like he was a part of my journey and a part of my movement to help and to give back to the local community. But at the same time, we can see the indirectness of his behaviour and his misconstruous behaviour behind his motive. You understand? But we'll talk about that later on, people, yeah. Let's get back to the kitchen and get back to the movement, yeah. Our good vibes.
We miss you, mate.
Yeah, well, we'll see that. Don't worry.
And Adam was crying the other day, misses your food so much, he had a moment 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't...
Dave.
Yeah. Listen, he goes hungry because they won't let him cook.
Yeah, I know. I respect Ringo for what he did, man. Because you know, a lot of people violate him too much.
Ringo's a good man, you let him back.
You know, you're my uncle, you're my brother, you're my everything. Listen, man, I respect you. My lady, respect
Tell the people how you think it's affected Croydon.
It's affected them in a big way because the homeless people are going hungry with this rubbish.
I know.
They're breaking down, they're not even eating.
Everything.
It's bad.
So him have to help everybody. And then police want to intervene in this. You know what I mean? Right.
His food, you know, just get, you know.
Yeah. You support everybody.
And your character as well, you make everyone laugh.
Yeah, good vibes.
Good vibes in Croydon, no good vibes.
What's the
But
activity?
them can't stop it from Croydon. They're taking the piss. They can't stop it. You have the powers. They can't stop you.
like I said, that's the only place it could have come from. I can't really see it come from anywhere else, and it's actually a shame as well, just to know that it's a local community, and before the police gets involved, and I'm someone that you see every day, why is it that we could not have spoken about it or even resolved whatever I came to you and I mentioned, oh Joseph, you could have turned around and said, no Ringo, I'm not doing anything behind your back. Or you could have turned around and said, for instance, when I approached him and said that you've been saying that you're sponsoring feeding the homeless, you could have turned around and said, yeah, Ringo, I want to be a part of your team. I want to actually give you some fruits and vegetables every week or once a week. And yeah, so I was in the planning of wanting to do that, and that would have just dissolved everything. But you felt the need not to give me an answer or anything, and walking off and whatnot. And from him walking off, it kind of made me feel some type of way, because I'm thinking like, how can the guy that me and him's here at the market every day is running over and saying like, yeah, Ringo, free food, until certain times I've had to say, Joseph, don't do that. Don't say it's free food like that. Yes, it's free food, but it's not free. It's not free. It's more say come it's food with love rather than free food. Do you understand? It seems a type of way, and it's just a shame really that it went down this road, people. Yeah. And I just want to say thank you for all the support and you guys that have been supporting me on the mission. I'm coming back out. This journey is not going to stop, and it won't stop. We have 1 million people to help and to feed. You understand? Not just here in the UK, and whoever's watching across the world as well. Your communities need help, and I'm sure from what we're doing here can create even a domino effect that other people in other parts of the world can be doing the Ringo Vision mission, helping those that are in need, feeding the 1 million. And you understand? In the name of like love, unity, togetherness, humanity. You understand, people, yeah? And I just wanted to explain that, because I haven't really come forth before and said, all right guys, this is the explanation of why the police was called. Do you understand? Why was the police called? The police was called because of a simple discussion that me and Joseph had, and he didn't like the way the conversation went. He called the police. Do you understand? And to call the police because we're having a conversation and we're having a discussion, because you don't want to talk, and I insist that, well, let's have a conversation. Let's have a chat. Let's have two grown civil talk. Why not? We could have bantered before and laughed and be like, go move from here, Joseph, or Ringo move from, or whatever. We could have been that character. So why when a conversation is not on a topic that you may not like or want to discuss or not want to be approached, because if something doesn't sit right, rather than me festering with it, I just approach with it. I just approach with you. Friend, now why did you do that yesterday, friend? I don't even like that, you know. Don't do that again, please. Don't do that again. Do you understand? And it'll be like, oh, sorry, Ringo, or it'll be like, or vice versa. Someone can come to me and be like, oh, Ringo, I don't even like that, you know. Like, you hurt my feelings. You made me feel some type of way from what you just did. And I'm not going to be like, oh, you get me? I'm not going to get vexed with it or to create an issue out of it. I'm going to address it and approach it. Do you understand? In the right way. So even if you guys have an issue, even if personal friends have an issue, I don't fight. I don't fight with people. I don't argue with people. I'm more the type of person to walk away or to just ignore it. So for me to have to say something, it must have been something that's ongoing. Do you understand? Members of the public have come up to me and been like, oh, Ringo, it's nice what the guy at the market are doing it because he must sponsor. I beg your pardon? Do that mean, Josie, you have to give me some food now, because I tell people say you sponsor me, so give Ringo some food. You understand, people, yeah, but that's not the case. So, but big up you guys, you understand? You guys have been absolutely amazing, and I just want to say, like, the mission continues. We've got 1 million people to feed, you understand? And I'll have some more update on certain areas of what has been happening and how we're gonna go forward in a greater way, you understand, with the mission. So our good vibes people, yeah, big up yourself. Until next time, that is it.